fluid ay anumang sangkap na kayang dumaloy at magbago ng hugis, gaya na lamang ng tubig.
Solid is not a fluid because particles are fixed in a lattice, while gas and liquid is a fluid because particles move freely.
Ang buoyancy ay ang pwersang nagtutulak pataas sa isang bagay na inilulubog sa likido, katulad ng tubig o gas gaya ng hangin.
What will happen when an object is placed inside the fluid? The fluid pressure increases with depth. Now, because the pressure increases as we go deeper, the force exerted upward due to the pressure will be more than the pressure exerted downwards due to the pressure. So, the force exerted on the bottom of the object due to the pressure will be more than the force exerted on the top. So, this net upward force exerted on objects submerged in fluid is called the buoyant force. You can test this with a tightly closed empty plastic bottles and a container of water. If you drop the bottle on the fluid, you will see that it will float. That's because the fluid is applying an upward force on the bottle. Now, hold the bottle and push it inside the fluid. You'd notice that the bottle is also exerting an upward force on your hand. If you leave the bottle, you'll see that the bottle will come up to the surface on its own. Now push the bottle deeper inside the fluid. You will feel more force against your hand, and when you release the bottle, it will rush back to the surface. It will come up faster than it came up in the previous case. The upward force increases as it pushes deeper into the fluid. And that's because the pressure also increases as we go deeper into the fluid. This upward force exerted by the water on the bottle is known as upthrust or the buoyant force.
Ayon naman sa Archimedes Principle, ang lakas ng pwersang ito ay katumbas ng bigat ng likidong naitulak o nailipat ng bagay na iyon.
Archimedes' principle states that any object submerged in a fluid will experience an upward buoyant force equal in magnitude to the weight of the fluid that is displaced. In other words, the buoyant force will support an object if it is less dense than the fluid, because the weight of the object will then be less than the weight of an equal volume of the fluid. This is why a cruise ship floats in the ocean. Steel is very dense, but the air in all the cabins is not. So, overall, the ship is less dense than the water.